Yesterday, you learned the first 10 secret keys. Let's be honest, that 10 is just like a drop in the ocean. If you stop now, you are like a footballer who learns how to dribble but does not know how to shoot. To truly speak the language of WAEC and NECO examiners, you need variety. And today, we are moving from the basic into a high-ranking expressions, ones that turn a boring sentence into a masterpiece. Who is ready for the next 10? 10 idioms for today. We are going to another group, and that group is hard work, diligence, and effort. So we are starting from 11 now. Remember, we have done 10. The 11th one, to burn the midnight oil. It means to stay up very late at night, studying or working, not just staying late, doing something else, but you are either working or you're studying. Example in a sentence. If you want to succeed in your exams, you have to burn the midnight oil. Then number 12, to leave no stone unturned. That means to try every possible way to achieve something. Now let's see it in a sentence. The principal promised to leave no stone unturned until the missing laboratory equipment was found. So, to leave no stone unturned, to try every possible means in order to achieve something. Then number 13, to put one's shoulder to the wheel. To put one's shoulder to the wheel. That means to start working very hard with determined effort. Now, let's read the example in a sentence. The inter-house sports competition is next week. Every athlete must put their shoulder to the wheel to win the trophy. Okay, remember, to put one shoulder to the wheel, to start working very hard with determined effort. Then number 14, to weather the storm. To successfully survive a difficult period or problem. To successfully survive a difficult period or problem. Then look at the sentence. Despite the financial crisis at home, Emeka managed to weather the storm and pay his WAEC registration fee. Remember, to weather the storm, to successfully survive a difficult period or problem. Okay, so let's continue. Number 15, against the grain. It means something that is difficult to do because it goes against your natural personality or values. Against the grain. Something that is difficult to do because it goes against your natural personality or values. Then example in a sentence. It goes against the grain for a brilliant student like Mary to be caught cheating in a mock exam. Okay. To work like a Trojan. It means to work with great energy, diligence, and endurance. Example, the laborer had to work like Trojans to complete the new school. Okay, that is to work with great energy, diligence, and endurance. The next one is, okay, let's take it again. To work like a Trojan. That is to work with great energy, diligence, and endurance. Okay, and the example is, the rebel had to work like Trojans to complete the new school auditorium before the graduation ceremony. So, that is, the laborer had to work with great energy, diligence, and endurance to complete that project. Okay, number 17, to keep your nose to the grindstone. To keep your nose to the grindstone, that is, to stay focused and continue working hard without stopping. To stay focused and continue working hard without stopping. In a sentence, we have, if you keep your nose to the grindstone this time, your NECO results will surely make your parents proud.